Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments, and I'm now walking and looking at the beautiful Allen floor plan here at the Aspire Post Oak. This is the Allen floor plan at the Aspire Post Oak. This is a really brief 1 minute-ish walkthrough, and I'm just kind of showing the best features of this apartment. So this is a gorgeous, huge kitchen with a really nice space for four. There you see some really beautiful appliances that are here. The appliances are gorgeous. I love the wine fridge that's there. There's gas in there, by the way, gas stovetop. And then you've got a just modern, beautiful floor-to-ceiling window look in here. The wall paint is just this perfect white color. It looks great. The floor is all just this modern luxe vinyl. You do have a balcony that's over there, and this is the 20th floor, so you have some spectacular views. This is the bedroom. The bedroom's amazing. Lot of space in here. That is a king bed, so you're really not hurting at all for space. Floor-to-ceiling windows here, and then you've got a nice sized closet in there too. It's very nice. And then the bathroom is just gorgeous. It's in here. Look at this dual sink, gorgeous lighted mirrors, and shower. The shower is just delightful. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, or better yet, if you want a tour, let's set up a virtual tour for you. I can set that up as early as today. It would be live, and it'll be of anything that's available here that you want to see at the Aspire Post Oak. Send me a text right now, and I'll get that going 100% free.